Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Chef Angela and I'm Chef Cathy. And thank you for liking, subscribing and commenting. Yeah. Oh yes, and the views, guys. 100 subscribers. Thank you for supporting us. So today we are going to make donuts. This is a favorite for many and it's a quick snack. It needs very few ingredients that are readily available in our different areas where we stay. So we are just going to show you how you can make the donuts. Here we have the flour, the yeast, which we've activated. Chef Angie, yes please. You see the eggs?
Yes.
What else? The butter.
There's butter, there's cardamom, and then sugar.
And then sugar, as simple as that. So if you don't have a mixer, you will get into the dough with your hands. But today we are going to use a table mixer to make the dough. So like we said, we are going to use a stand mixer, table mixer. We have different hooks, but you don't need these ones. These play a different role. We are going to use this one, and we are going to go in with our flour. Chef Angie can help with the rest of the dry ingredients.
Okay. The dry.
Yes, the dry ones.
Sugar
in.
cardamom.
So if you don't have cardamom, you can opt to use vanilla essence, or
I use nutmeg,
or you can even go in with your grated lemon, or what we call lemon zest in our language. So we are going to put in the yeast mixture. Our yeast has already proofed, so we are sure that our dough will be ready to go if we put it out to rest. Then I'm going to add the egg, and you add the oil and the water.
So this is butter melted.
Yes, melted butter. So the melted butter just helps to give the donuts extra moistness. Yeah. So anything melted, for the water we'll add gradually. So Chef Angie is going to help me here, since you can see the other side. And then we have started off. So like I said, the water we put gradually. We don't want our dough to be runny or anything that we do.
So if you don't have a stand mixer, you can use your hands.
Yes, like I said, you can use your hands. Just the normal way. Add all the ingredients in a bowl and knead. So if you want them extra, not really fluffy, not soft, but rich, you get to use milk instead of water. We opted for water because we really don't have a region. That's why we would use milk. Our dough is good to go. Chef Angie is going to help us grease the pan with oil this time around, since we are taking it to proof.
Yeah.
And then we'll leave it rest for 30 minutes as that was inside. Well, why are we greasing? So that when we are removing the dough after it has proofed, we don't have any difficulties.
Oh,
so here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, it looks soft. Very, very soft. And we'll just get the rest, scoop it out, and then we are done. Oh, out we take it. Our dough doubled in size. We are going to dust. Thank you, Chef Angie.
yeah.
Then have it go into our worktop. That's why we put oil.
Airy.
Yeah. We're going to fold it and remove the excess air pockets.
Okay.
Just keep doing that. So folding is so different from kneading. If you try to knead at this point, you're going back to zero.
Oh,
So you have to avoid that bit.
okay, that's a new one I'm also learning.
Okay. So Chef Angie is going to help us roll just 1.5 inches thick.
Okay.
And then we are going to cut out into donuts and then fry. As simple as that. So the only time we have going is just in the waiting time. If you don't have a cookie cutter, feel free to use a cup or any other thing at home.
This side, okay.
We will maybe first go in with this. So use a cookie cutter because you want them to have shape. Then you go deep in with So if you don't have this is a nozzle. You can use a bottle toy.
No, what's
So you see how our donut looks good. Oh, we're going to be frying. As Chef Angie does that, then I'll also be frying. Our donuts are just ready for garnishing. So we have white chocolate, dark chocolate here. You're going to dip them in. I'll go first.
You can put any toppings you want.
Yeah, you can even use royal icing. Cheaper, it's cheaper, cost friendly, I would say. So I'm gonna dip in this.
That's white chocolate.
This is white chocolate. Allow the excess to flow off. And then yep, good to go. So if I want, I can do some sprinkles or some nuts. So it's really up to you. Chef Angie, which one is your choice? Dark? Oh, let's switch.
Yeah.
Then I do one of dark.
Allow it to drip.
Oof, look at this.
Ooh, that dark.
The dark looking so good, guys. I'll go in with some nuts. So I love chocolate, I love nuts. Just going to bring in some texture for us. So you can also mix frills like Chef Angie has done. Maybe it a little more.
There goes the song.
Whoop! Espresso. I want to do picky punky.
No.
Picky
I know
punky.
what I want.
Okay. I feel like you made that for yourself. Okay.
Yes.
I'll go in with this. This is personal. Cheers, guys.
Wow.
Guys, we are just recovering from a sugar rush.
Yes.
Tender, very flavorful, the
Yes.
cardamom.
Yes.
That is the trick in these ones.
Oh, great.
The nuts.
Yeah. Cinnamon. Yeah, that got me. Yeah.
It's good too.
Yes.
Then the white chocolate, then guys, just try this at home. So we want to wind up by saying, come join us at 7-Star Culinary Institute here in Intinda, just behind Isabella and along Dr. Asia Road. You have diploma, certificate, and short courses. We are ready for you. Yeah. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.